I was bullied in my school for my skin tone, skin lightening की creams ढूंढती थी so that I can get lighter. The same people who used to talk bad about me, now they want to be friends with me. You know, I always wanted to start a YouTube channel. It has been in my vision board since forever. So this is something I dreamt of, a space where I can share my fashion journey, my stories, my growth, all of it. So hey guys, my name is Isha. Welcome to Life of Ishra. Let's get into the video. So there was a time when I was really insecure about myself. I was bullied in my school for my skin tone, for my appearance, how I dressed, how skinny I was, for like every freaking thing that is possible to get bullied for. And at that time मेरा self esteem पूरा zero हो चुका था because people around me made me feel like that if I'm not fair, if I am not of a certain beauty standard, that means I'm not pretty. Girls in my school, they used to compare their hands, or जिसका भी हाथ is like darker, that means, you know, they are not pretty, and they used to feel less. And as a 13-year-old girl, I used to feel so bad about my appearance that I used to come back home, take my dad's phone और मैं Google करके skin lightening की creams ढूंढती थी so that I could get lighter and all of that shit. And honestly, I even tried those stuff, but obviously उससे कुछ हुआ नहीं. But it was just that, you know, that one day I'll have a bright skin और मैं भी सुंदर होंगी. Just for the validation, I did that. So there was so much going on that, you know, I started pulling away from people. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ मैं किसको दिखूँगी ही नहीं, तो कोई मेरे लिए बुरा बोलेगा ही नहीं. तो I stopped talking to people. I just, you know, got into escape, और तभी I started creating content. And during those days, I used to shoot everything and anything, or I used to post out there. And honestly, I started the content creation journey just because of validation. ठीक है, मुझे कोई idea नहीं था कि क्या होता है. बस मुझे ऐसा था कि हाँ, I'll go out there, I'll go on the social media, I'll look pretty, I'll use filter, and maybe I'll get the validation that I always wanted. Bhai, I don't know how these people shoot and get ready at the same time. Then, you know, something changed when I had a glow up. I guess I was in 10th standard probably. You know, when you come out of your puberty phase, सबका वो glow up होता है. Not just कि मतलब मैं गोरी हो गई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. मेरा skin tone वैसा का वैसे ही था. But it was just that I had a glow up mentally, you know. I stopped giving F about people कि ये क्या सोचते हैं मेरे बारे में और ये क्या करते हैं. I had that mindset कि I'll do now whatever I want to do. और धीरे धीरे मेरा content better हुआ. और जब मेरे को ब्रांड डील्स आने लग गए, जब मैं थोड़ी वायरल होने लग गई इंस्टाग्राम पे, द सेम पीपल हु यूज्ड टू टॉक बैड अबाउट मी, नाउ दे वांट्स टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद मी. एंड दे यूज्ड टू आस्क मी तू कैसे कर लेती है ये सब. एंड यू नो, जस्ट यूज्ड टू प्रिटेंड कि दे वर ऑलवेज देयर बाय माई साइड, बट एक्चुअली दे वर नॉट. And I realized it's such a sad reality of life that when you are at your lowest, people will make you feel worse, and once you rise, they'll just pretend that, you know, they were always around you. But during that process, I just fell in love with myself. The very first thing that I was ashamed about, I embrace it now, and I'm just so confident with myself that I'm able to come here and talk about it on YouTube. So I think I'm over it, and I have accepted the way I look, and I'm very much happy about it. Now I don't do anything for validation. I just do it for myself, for the younger version of myself who was ashamed. I just had a whole conversation and I realized that my mic was off. Yeah, anyways, I was saying that do whatever you want to do because people will always have something to say. अगर उनका सोचोगे तो you'll never be able to grow in your life. You want to start that YouTube, do it today. If you want to start that business, do it. मत सोचो लोग क्या बोलेंगे because they are not gonna come and pay you bills. It's just you who's gonna look after yourself and your family. And I just want to say that be happy, be confident. If you are confident about yourself, I swear nobody out there will be able to point out your flaws. And that's what exactly happened with me. मतलब जब तक मैं खुद सेल्फ डाउट में थी तो सब मुझे आके बोलते थे. Now that I'm happy with myself, now that I'm proud of how I look, then nobody out there dare to comment on my appearance. And even if they do, like obviously some people do on social media, and even if they do, I don't care. Honestly, I just ignore it. It doesn't bother me anymore. So that was my journey from self-doubt to self-love. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. Go and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. We have a special guest in my video. Do you want to say something to my viewers?